Hello guys, welcome to my channel The Tech Forum and I'm your host and buddy Taruj Joshi. So in this video I am going to review this ROM called Resurrection Remix on my Mi A1 and would suggest you that should you flash this ROM or not, and would even discuss its pros and cons and would tell you that is this ROM capable to run your daily apps and can it be compared to stock ROM. And if you know how to install any custom ROM on Mi A1, please check out my previous video which is on .os. I have cleared the instructions on how to install Twerp on your Mi A1 and how to flash any ROM. So now guys, without any further ado, let's get to it. But before getting to this video, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and pressed on that bell icon so you can get notified about my every of the videos. So now guys, let's get started. Resurrection Remix version ROM, which is version 6.0.0. and yes, the thing which separates Resurrection Remix from other ROMs is that it gets a lot of customizations which other ROMs can't offer you right now, available for Mi A1. So I decided to make a video on Resurrection Remix, and yes, this is the official build, not the unofficial, so don't worry. So now let's talk something about the ROM. So when we come to the status bar, same as Android Oreo, then the settings is also same as Android Oreo, not like the .os. It had some different colors and shades, but that's okay, this also looks good. And here comes the hot topic itself, configurations. Status bar, panels, quick settings, recents and many more. If I would discuss about them, the video would take too long and you guys would to be bored. So I would discuss my favorite ones right now. So first comes is panel. Like I can customize my panels. For now I have not enabled them because I flashed this ROM right now. So volume panel, I would get volume, dialog, timeout and etc. Then in quick settings, quick pull down as usual. Then title layout, advanced, and in advanced I would get easy title add and etc. and vibrate on touch. So in recents I would get clear all option and recent style, which would clear all my apps running in the background. And then in interface, fingerprint settings. In fingerprint authentication vibration, there is simply if you successfully add your fingerprint, it would vibrate your phone, which means that fingerprint has been successfully implemented on your phone. Then in fingerprint unlock, as you see when you restart your phone or power off your phone and again power it on, and as soon as it starts again, you can't unlock your phone with fingerprint, but you have to unlock with your PIN, password or pattern, whatever you have kept, or else it would not unlock with the fingerprint. So in this, if you enable this option, you can even unlock your phone after the restart with fingerprint. So it is really good. You don't have to again reinsert your PIN, password or pattern. But I think so this is in beta stage because here they have written note at your own risk. So it can be that it is in development stage right now. So as I go back again, in lock screen, I would get security, lock UI, weather. In buttons, hardware buttons, I can disable them, which I have already done. Then navigation bar, allowed the navigation bar. Then in navigation board, I would get three options like smart bar and fling. In fling, if I enable it and click on this, I would come on the home screen again and click on it. Then I would again come on the configurations menu. So now I would change this. 1 minute. So yes, default, because I'm comfortable with the default one. So animations, which I think so saw again here. In this I can use activity open animation, in which I can slide in top. So pretty good again, and many more. In gestures, again another hot topic is pie control, and I think so you can't get pie control in every custom ROM because I think so it is available in Resurrection Remix and the Paranoid ROM. So I can be wrong, you guys can tell me in the comment section. So I will tell you how it works. As I would swipe on the left side, I would get this navigation like pie, and if I click on the back menu, I would go back on the home and here in the recent apps. So really good. And here is Google and settings and my battery level and the time and Wi-Fi or my SIM card. So pretty good. I would disable this right now because I already have the navigation bar activated in miscellaneous, suspended actions, weather and etc. And at last, about means I can even see the recent changes in ROM, which is channel log, features, the drill and etc. So now let's talk something about this ROM. So as you can see here in system, about phone, here is the Resurrection Remix version, which is version 6.0.0, and I get Android version 8.1.0, which is the latest one in the Android Oreo, and Android security patch level is of 5th March 2018, which is also latest right now. And Cell Linux is permissive, not enforcing. Then in gestures, I would get this proximity wake, then hand wave pickup, which are pretty good. As you see, Mi A1 does have some fast sensors inserted inside the phone itself. So I really like the gestures and they are pretty fast. So now let's demonstrate the fingerprint test speed. So as you can see, I click here, pretty fast when compared to the stock ROM. So now let's talk something about camera. Surprisingly, this has the Arnova's camera, which was not expected, but it does really work fine. And in settings, if I go, these are the things which I would get. So here is the back camera, video resolution and video stabilization, which is EIS, which stock ROM doesn't offer you. So these things are pretty good and can be kept in the mind. And the last thing which I wanted to tell you is the LED indicators even work fine. So don't worry, LED light would work even if you charge or receive any notifications. And finally, this launcher is not Pixel launcher but a launcher ported from the Lineage OS. So if you want Pixel launcher, straight away download any APK from XDA thread. And yes, I did not encounter any bug in this ROM and everything was working pretty fine and battery management was even though good. So yes, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, then please click on that thumbs up, and if you want to watch more of them, then please subscribe to my channel. I'm Tanuj Joshi signing out. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Till then, peace.